Hey y'all, today we're doing another recipe with my boyfriend, you got it, CP. And it's finally turned kind of cold actually in the South. We do nothing gradually around here except for maybe drive, I don't know. But it's just, it was hot and then the next day it was cold. So I decided that I wanted some soup in my crock pot. And so I'm making a chicken, well, it's a chicken and wild rice soup, and it is so good. I've made it before. It's just something that you just really need when it's really cold outside, and it just fills you up and it just makes you warm and comforts you. You know I'm all about the comfort food. So let's see what all you have to do to make it.